Konnichiwa. Welcome to Consonants Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the B sound as in ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Consonants Japanese. This sound is called the voiced bilabial stop. Voiced means your vocal cords here vibrate when you make this sound. Bilabial means both lips. So when you make this sound, you close your lips and your tongue just rests at the bottom of your mouth, being relaxed. The B sound, as in B, is a little different since B is followed by the E vowel. To make this sound, you close your lips and you make the tongue position of the E vowel. And stop means you first stop the airflow at the lips, and then you make a sudden release of the air. B, b, b. Let's practice pronouncing ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Connect the B sound with a, I, U, E, O. Repeat with me. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Alright, now let's practice pronouncing ba, bi, bu, be, bo using some real words. Repeat with me. 言葉、言葉、首、首、豚、豚、壁、壁、帽子、帽子。Hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, so it's quite important for it to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。